Have you ever wondered how to grow and care for orchids at home? Orchids, with their stunning beauty and unique allure, often intimidate beginners due to common misconceptions about their complexity. But with the right knowledge, they're within anyone's reach. Today, you will learn how to grow and care for orchids right in your own home. First, understand that orchids aren't like your typical houseplants. These exotic beauties have unique needs. For instance, they thrive in a specific type of potting mix, not your everyday garden soil. And while they love the light, they prefer it to be indirect, much like the dappled sunlight of their natural tropical habitats. There's a vast array of orchid varieties, each with their own specific care needs. Once you understand what your orchid needs, you're halfway to having a thriving plant. When it comes to planting your orchid, choosing the right pot and potting mix is crucial. A breathable pot, such as one made from clay or terracotta, is ideal for orchids. The potting mix needs to be well-draining, like a blend of bark, charcoal, and perlite. When planting, be gentle with the orchid's roots. They're delicate and can be easily damaged. Nestle the orchid into the potting mix, ensuring the roots are comfortably spread out. With your orchid now planted, it's time to move on to the care and maintenance. Orchids require a delicate balance of light, water, and humidity. Watering once a week is generally enough. Overwatering can be detrimental. Bright, indirect light is their sweet spot, so a north-facing window is ideal. Maintaining a humidity level of 50 to 70% can mimic their natural habitat. Familiarize yourself with signs of common problems like root rot or leaf spots. Prompt action can save your plant. With these tips, you'll have everything you need to help your orchid thrive. Growing orchids at home might seem challenging, but it's absolutely doable with the right knowledge. We've covered orchid types, planting, and maintenance. Now you're equipped to cultivate your own vibrant, beautiful orchids. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.